Hey, Adam.
Hey.
Are you eating?
What are you eating? Good job. What are you eating? Yummy?
Nagyon ügyesen eszik.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Happy 4th of July.
Egyérni.
Happy birthday to America.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
You want to see some fireworks tonight?
Loud.
They're big and loud, yes.
Loud.
Are you going to be a big brother soon?
No, cut the grass.
You want to cut the grass?
No,
Did Daddy do that yesterday?
I'm gonna cut the grass.
Adam cuts the grass, right?
Can you eat some more?
Mm. Mm.
How old are you? You want eggs?
Yeah.
Chew it up. Chew, chew, chew. Chew.
Túl nagy.
You're giving too big of a piece.
I thought you'd bite it off.
You want more?
Yeah. I want eggs.
Good. Chew. No, chew it. Eat it. Swallow.
I see you.
I see you too.
I see you. I see you.
Where's Ruben?
There, cool.
Oh, he's on the floor?
Yeah. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Chuckle face?
I see you.
And I love you.
The milk.
Where's Mater? Who is Mater?
Mayor.
Who's your favorite race car?
Red car.
Who is your favorite race car? What's his name?
Mommy was like queen.
Lightning McQueen.
Daddy was like queen.
Good morning, Elite.
Good morning.
Go.
Morning, Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy, go.
Let's see the belly.
No, Jason, I'm not pajamas. Can you sit?
Go. And the basket. Red car. Bucket.
You have to go to the bathroom?
No. Let's do it.
You look like you have a chocolate goatee.
Good enough. You'll be able to upload it. It's too long.
Ne szedjen.
Jill.
Jason, it's going to be too long to upload.
The flower.
Igen. Kérsz? Kérsz mamagriszt? No, vagy yes?
No.
Oké.